Hey guys, so I posted a short a couple days ago about how I went to a swap meet and I picked up kind of not a collection, but just a small little lot. I think it was 50 cars and I paid about $32. I have not looked in here yet. I thought that'd be something fun for us to do on camera here. So without further ado, let's get to it. We dig in here and we go through a couple of these. I see a lot of GTRs in here, and the first one is from MK's Silhouette Works GTR. That is cool, isn't it? That's a real cool casting. There's a Honda Civic Si from an H case. Very, very cool. And I have no idea if there's treasure hunts in here. No clue. It was from a dealer, so I wouldn't think so, but you never know. Here's a 1990 Acura Nsx. That's a cool casting too. Real cool. 17 GTR. So I told him I was a GTR guy. So is that that's not the Target special, right? Anyway, I told him I was a big GTR guy. A big JDM kind of guy, and so he put a couple extra in there for me, so pretty cool. Here's a 98 Honda Prelude. That's a pretty neat paint scheme. It's kind of like a flaky metallic. That's pretty cool. Here's a 85 Honda CRX. All right, I haven't seen one of those before. It's from the E case, and Mazda Rx7 from the G case. That's kind of cool, isn't it? That's pretty neat. Rotary engines. I had a couple of those that have been LS swaps. I've never had a rotary before, but pretty cool. Here's a 70 Toyota Celica. Oh, that's neat. So I actually work for Toyota myself, and these things are cool. It's from G case, by the way. Let's see what else we got in here. Here's a couple more. 98 Prelude. Cool. An 18 Civic Type R. Looks like E case and Q case on these. Here's a Nissan Leaf Nismo RCO2. I don't really know specifically what that is, but that's cool. Here's an 01 Integra GSR. Look at that paint scheme. It's real cool, isn't it? It's pretty neat. K case and M case on those. This is like opening stuff at Christmas. It's always so exciting to look in there. Well, look at this Sylvia right here. That's real cool. It's from the E case. I don't know. This stuff is cool because I haven't seen this in my stores locally at all. I'm not even sure what year they're from, to be honest with you. Oh, here's a cool Skyline. KDR 30. That's really, really cool. Look at that thing. It's pretty neat. It's a B case right there. And here's 18 Civic Type R from the K case right there. Oh, 01 Integra. That's real cool. I hadn't seen that before. From the E case. There's another Sylvia from the M case right there. Cool. Ooh, 89 Mazda Savannah Rx7. Cool. But look at this one, 2000 GT. So I know the new Toyota Supra is based on a lot of like this 2000 GT. It's pretty cool. But it's interesting to read about the history of those because that actually was the new one was based on a lot of that design. Here's oh, this is cool. The card's it's just dirty, but 67 Pontiac Firebird 400. I love these cars. And that actually is like an N case. The back is like a Musclemania. So I don't really know exactly like what year that is. Pretty cool though. 89 Mazda Savannah Rx7. Let's see here. Skyline GTR. Oh, that's so cool. An R32. So cool. It's really neat. And then here's an 18 Ford Mustang Gt from the P case. I haven't seen the P case around here at all. 17 Nissan GTR. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That's cool. G case, 50th anniversary. There's a 10 Tundra. It says Tokyo 2020 baseball on it. It's pretty neat. Olympic Games. It's cool too. 15 Honda Civic Type R. On the back it has a set, the Nissan Skyline, Camaro SS El Camino, Ford Shelby GT500, and a Civic. That's cool. There's three here. There we go. There's another custom 18 Mustang GT. 69 Dodge Charger 500. That's real cool. I love these old Muscle Mania cars. Here's a 68 Nova. It's not a Muscle Mania, but it's from the J case. Let's see, got about 15 more here. There's another one, Nissan Silvia's. That's very cool. Mazda RX-3. Look at that thing. From a Q case. I hadn't seen that either, the night burners. And then Datsun 620. Very cool from the Q case also. Very neat. '67 Pontiac Firebird 400. Look at that color. The cool purple or pink, cool pink. Sorry, it's been a long day, but that's cool, isn't it? From the Q case. Mazda Repu, and Nissan Fairlady Z. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's a C case. I hadn't seen most of these. I don't know where you got these from, but I hadn't seen these local at all to me. So these are all pretty cool. There's another Fairlady with the gritty paint scheme on it, and a custom 240Z. I haven't seen the treasure hunt yet, but this stuff is just really, really cool. Oh, look at this. 65 Ford Galaxy. That's a boat, isn't it? Look at that thing. Wow, with the flames. 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. So I actually met these guys. I forget the dude's name. I haven't watched it so long. Went down to Dallas, Texas, actually, and I met this dude. Real cool guy. Aaron was the guy with the beard. The other guy, I don't know what his name is, but 70 Camaro RS. It's very cool. Love those castings. 85 IROC Z. That is right in my wheelhouse because that's about how old I am. And a Copa Camaro. That's pretty cool with the Falcon tires. Stickers. Pretty cool. Very cool. And I've got 5 more here. 6 more. 67 Pontiac 400. Look at that thing. Look at that. You can see the paint scheme very well, but it's got like metallic flakes. It's very cool. And here's another Pontiac 400 Firebird anyway. Here's a 67 400. Oh, that's a different paint scheme now. Look at that. I really want to have one of these one day. I've had a 79, but I've never had one of these. Look at this, another one. Different paint scheme. It's very, very cool. We got a 1973 Pontiac Firebird with the flame paint job. Pretty cool. Muscle Mania on the back. I've got a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX. This is awesome. I love this car. Very, very cool. And then I've got one that's just coming out of the cart. It's a Datsun 620. This will go to my little boy. He can play with it tomorrow. So overall, for $30, you can't beat it. Really cool cars. All main lines, but I don't know. There may be some. If you guys see something limited, let me know. Pretty cool. I don't know that I need all these, so I may do a giveaway or give them some kids or something. I don't know. But I'll kind of recap some of my favorite cars. I love some of these old Pontiac Firebirds. Of course, you know, I'm a Skyline guy too. No Supers in here, but overall, really cool case for $30. You can't beat that. But guys, thanks for watching. Good luck hunting, and I'll try to do more unboxing videos if I find nice sets here and there, or find nice slots I can pick up. Guys, take care. Good talking to you. We'll see you in the next video.